Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to tell if your dog is pregnant. And the first thing you need to note is that you're not going to see any signs until about the 3rd week of pregnancy. Dogs are typically pregnant for about 9 weeks, so that first trimester is their 3 weeks. You're probably not going to notice any signs before that time. What you need to be looking for early signs are morning sickness. Dogs do get morning sickness the way that we do. Lower energy, and you're going to want to take a look at their nipples because they're going to get enlarged and they may pink up a little bit. Now, our Beagle Molly is not pregnant, but you can see here you're going to need to look through the fur to find the nipples. Her nipples are nice and small. They're still black. They're not enlarged at all. No pink around them. So this would be a sign that maybe she's not pregnant. You would also want to look for any behavior changes. Now you can tell that Molly's pretty lazy right now. If your dog has less energy than normal, that could be a sign as well. You should not be looking for a baby bump at this point. That's not how, if you're waiting for the baby bump to tell if your dog is pregnant, you're going to be waiting a long time. That usually won't occur until the last third of the pregnancy, which would be those 6 to 9 weeks. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to email me.